Zebra stripes in table in HTML for beginners. If you add a background color on every other table row, you will get a nice zebra stripes effect. To style every other table row element, use the nth child, even selector like this. Note, if you use odd instead of even, the styling will occur on row 1, 3, 5, etc. instead of 2, 4, 6, etc. Vertical zebra stripes in HTML. Set the nth child, even, for table data elements like this. Note, put the nth child selector on both th and td elements if you want to have the styling on both headers and regular table cells. Combine vertical and horizontal zebra stripes. You can combine the styling from the two examples above and you will have stripes on every other row and every other column. If you use a transparent color, you will get an overlapping effect. Use an RGBA color to specify the transparency of the color.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.